Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV14. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV14 trigger isn't working at all, you're likely facing a frustrating situation. This issue can occur due to wear and tear, or possibly a fault in the internal mechanism. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further complications and prevent you from using your vacuum cleaner effectively. To tackle this repair, you will need a set of small screwdrivers, a pair of pliers, a flathead screwdriver, and a replacement trigger. Now, let's begin the repair process. First, ensure your vacuum is unplugged to avoid any accidents. Using your small screwdriver, carefully remove the screws located on the handle. Be sure to keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently pull apart the two halves of the handle. You may need to use a flathead screwdriver to help pry them apart. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. Now that you have access to the interior of the handle, locate the trigger mechanism. You should see a small plastic part that is connected to the spring. This is likely where the fault lies. Carefully disconnect any cables attached to this mechanism, noting their positions for reassembly later. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Next, remove the faulty trigger by gently pulling it out. You may need to use your pliers for leverage, but take care not to apply too much force as this could damage surrounding components. Once the old trigger is out, take your replacement part and slot it into the same position, ensuring it fits securely. After that, reconnect any cables you previously detached, making sure they are seated correctly. Now, it's time to reassemble the handle. Align both halves and press them together firmly. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently but securely to avoid stripping the plastic. Finally, plug in your Dyson SV14 and test the trigger to ensure it functions properly. If you notice any issues, double-check your connections. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly clean the trigger area to remove any dust and debris that may cause it to jam. Additionally, avoid applying excessive force when using the trigger to prolong its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.